So is XRP about to potentially break out and go to $15? I've got a chart from an analyst that I really do like that I want to share with you that is lending some credence to that, some validity to that. And we're going to jump into that and show you that here in just a minute. But also, before we get to that, I want to share with you some big XRP news as well. This is something that has never happened for us in the XRP community. This is brand new. And we could potentially see the approval for this today. So a lot of stuff to share with you. We'll also look at the price action, and I'll share with you a way that you can make even more money in crypto and put even more profit in your pocket, even with stocks, showing you how to do that. Yes, I know this is a crypto video. It's a crypto channel, but I do trade stocks as well. So I've got a little bit of tip for you, something to share with you. Also, a couple other things. So stick till the end. Lots to go over. All right. So what I want to show you here is that right now the overall crypto market is up about 1%. The crypto market is shaking off the PPI, the Producers Price Index report today. It came in hotter than expected, but crypto has really shown that it doesn't really care. There's that. Okay. Also, side note, something I did mention at the top of the video. Today at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, President Trump is going to give a press conference or make an announcement as to some additional tariffs that he is going to be putting out there. So stay tuned. You might see the crypto market, go down around that time. So just FYI on that. Okay, so let's get back into what I was sharing with you. Okay, so let's take a look first at the big thing that's going to be possibly approved today. That is the SEC, Securities Exchange Commission, could announce the approval of the XRP ETF today. All right. So, and what that really is this, if you know this or not, Grayscale Investments has an XRP trust, and they are wanting to convert it into an ETF. And that application, quite honestly, could be approved today. This would make this the first XRP ETF. You may remember, go back, Grayscale was the first one into the Bitcoin ETF space. So there really are a pioneer in this capacity. Okay. So that's something that we could see approval for today. All right. So now transitioning to what I wanted to share with you. This is from Ali. And Ali doesn't know me. I don't talk to this particular individual. I just do follow his content over on Twitter. He said, if this is a symmetrical triangle, XRP has broken out and is targeting $15. Okay. So what he's showing you here is a symmetrical, basically a flag pattern. You can see, so this goes back to 2018, and you can see how you basically look at the trading, the chart, and then if the chart presents the correct formation, you can see how it creates this pattern. And then you can see how XRP broke out of it, and that's forming the basis for potentially a $15+ price point. Now, I know you're going to say, well, Austin, we've got to get to $4 first. I agree. We've got to get to 4 to 5, things of this nature. What you're looking at, though, we're at $2.44. You also have to realize what you're looking at is that you're looking at a multi-year view. You're not looking at an hour, 6 hours, whatever. You're looking at a view of the XRP chart going all the way back to 2018. Okay. And so in that, yeah, there's a lot of historical data in this chart, and which is why I thought it was relevant and potentially could be a really fantastic baseline for a case for us to go to, as I said, $15. Now, with that, what has to happen for that to happen? I think we've got a lot of factors. We've got to take uncertainty out of the market. Something's got to be done about the Fed, the Federal Reserve. What are they going to do or not going to do? Trump's calling for the reduction of interest rates, things of that nature at the Federal Reserve level. I think we're going to need a major positive market catalyst, and that could be in the form of a Bitcoin being added into the U.S. Strategic Reserve. That's going to create a gold rush, a land rush for Bitcoin. So be buying Bitcoin, just saying right now, it's a good thing to buy. Yeah. Okay. So just keep doing that. Meanwhile, kind of looking forward, Yeah, I mean that would be enough to spur. Well, Austin, that's Bitcoin. That's not XRP. I know, right? But that would be the official kind of green check mark in a lot of people's eyes. Oh, this crypto thing's really real. It's really a thing. Blah blah blah. Again, since the sarcasm, right? And it would have a spillover effect into Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, all that. We'd have billions of capital money flowing into XRP and the other top altcoins. Okay, and so yeah, I think there's something to that. Also, I didn't talk about it at the top of the video, but I think there's a lot of cases out there being made. We could see XRP flip Ethereum at some point in the near/future. So just side note. Okay, I promised you a way that you can make even more money. So here it is. This is the XRP chart. So this is my software on a 6-hour chart. You can see buy and sell alert. This was after Trump got elected. A buy alert here, a sell alert there. So buy alert here, and then when the chart started consolidating, we had a sell alert, right? 30 days, 400+%. So $2,000 bought here, sold here would have made you a profit of over $8,000. Notice we are in a buy alert over here on the far right. Okay, so XLM, this is another similar after the Trump got elected. This is a buy alert, sell alert. 500%, $2,000 bought here, sold here would have made you over $10,000. So just in those two trades alone with the software, if you would have it, made you over $18,000 in profit in this scenario that I'm explaining to you. The software costs a little bit over $1 a day. The link's in the description right down there below this video. And there's a 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. That's it. So give it a look. You might want to check it out. Like here's Bitcoin, buy alert here, sell alert here, 93 days, 70%. So it's working. Oh, and I also shared with you and told you about stocks. This is the software working on stocks. This is a Tesla chart. You can see right there. There's a buy alert here, all the way up here, 257 days, 183%. So yeah, you get really double the value for your money, right? So about a little bit over $1 a day, and you can use the software to better trade, know when to trade, buy, sell stocks, as well as crypto. It's 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It works. The software runs. Oops, sorry about that. Software runs on an iPhone or an Android. It'll run on a computer, run anywhere you want. You can show you right here. I've got tech support via email as well. And here's the step-by-step tutorials. Everything here set up for you to show you how to set everything up. Remember those alerts that I said? You can literally, this is the last video, how to create alerts. The alerts are little pop-ups that'll come up on your screen. It'll be literally be an icon. It'll say buy, whatever crypto you're wanting to buy, sell, things of that nature. Okay, so I'll show you how to set all those up. So there it is for you. So with that, give it a look. Hey, you got 30 days, no questions asked, money back, refund guarantee right there. Remember, so we don't ask you any questions. We don't. If you want to cancel, you want a refund, we don't ask you why you're doing it. You ask for it, you get it. No questions asked, period. None. So that's right. You have zero risk in this equation. Didn't you challenge yourself and say, hey, I want to make more money in crypto this year. I want to make more money in stocks. I want to make more profit. And that's what I'm talking about. This is putting profit in your pocket. $10,000 in that scenario, $8,000. This is putting profit in your pocket so that you can change your life, change your family's life, buy a new car, get a better apartment, maybe buy a house, maybe put more money in your kids' college fund, save more money, quit your job, whatever it is. This is what it's about. So take the blinders off and know when to buy and know when to sell, because I guarantee you don't know when to sell. You really don't know. You just buy it and like, I'm just holding it. You don't know when to sell. This takes the blinders off. Okay. This is what the smart money and the whales are doing, is they're using technology that tells them when to buy, when to sell. Boom, sell it, put that profit in your pocket so you can go change your life. All right. I'll see you. Bye. Links in the description below. Take advantage of that discount code. Bye.